Afternoon everyone on this beautiful Sunday here in Benidorm. Storms are finally gone. It's lovely weather, 21 degrees today. So time to explore some bars. I'm gonna start with Uncle Ped's, which is on the right up there. Then we're going to continue along the Silver Dollar Bar. Towards the left got the Red Door Bar. And the newest one, the Bank, is nearing completion. So I want to check that one out, how far the progress is. Gonna start up here in the Rincon. It's a market day, so we're very close to it. Most of the folks are quite done with the market. It's around 1 p.m. So need to explore some areas. This is, on the left is the Red Door. Quite a new bar. Really popular one, really good value. Check out their bucket deals. Pint of Amstel, 150. Or 5 bottles of Amstel for just €5. Really good offers here at the Red Corner Bar.
Hello guys!
So as I've said, it's a market day. Most of the folks are done with the market. It's around 1, market stops around 2. If you see back there where the market is, not that many people around anymore. So we're gonna take a right. Uncle Ped's is just a 1-minute walk away. And while we're heading towards Uncle Ped's, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would hit that like button. Really does help the video promoting out there. And do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Benidorm. And I've got some good news if you're coming here next tomorrow. It's going to be 23 degrees, beautiful weather out. Maybe even we'll reach 24, 25. Let's hope so. The days afterwards are going to be filled with sunshine as well. For the upcoming week, no rain in the forecast. And with those palm trees like back there at the Riviera bar, which we're going to check out in a minute, it looks beautiful. Riviera bar is really a sun trap with this extremely hot weather out here. 20 degrees for winter is lovely. Consider wearing a t-shirt or even without if you want to. Absolutely amazing weather. People are enjoying it a lot. But the thing is about winter, some bars don't get sun at all. One of those is the Explorers Bar. It's right on the opposite, underneath the Ambassador. In summer times, this bar is extremely hot, of course, because the sun is right on there. But in winter, not so much, not that popular. But they do have an indoor area as well. The Rosamar, right up here, has been closed all winter. And now it's open again. Let's have a quick look at the pool, where it is filled up back. The pool is accessible, but most pools, as of this one as well, in Benidorm, aren't heated, so they are quite cold to swim in. The ocean water is currently 14 degrees. Probably too cold for most to have a swim. Better wait until April, May, when things really warm up. The strip starts here on the right. While it is still very popular, also during daytime, more people are trying to opt for the bars outside of the strip, more relaxed atmosphere. They really enjoy that a lot. And as you can see right up here, it's beautiful to sit there in the sun, enjoying some cold drinks. On the left, the Sol Ocas is still under renovation. But they did have placed some railings for balconies up there. Some glass ones this time. On the left you can still see the old ones, the metal ones. And on the right the new ones are in place already. Slowly on, progress is continuing.
Yeah, that was it in the morning.
Up here on the front, they even painted some bits of it already. But we're continuing. Got the Silver Dollar Bar. Really popular every single day. Plenty of sun even in winter. And yeah, as it's winter, not every bar is filled with sun. Got Mariano's. Really busy as always, very popular. On the opposite, you have also the Kebabish original, one of the many in Benidorm. They have a new facade. Creanies is next door. I believe that one is open in the evenings, the Cabaret Club.
Was gas on Monday.
Now we're getting towards the Rincon bars. The Red Door is just a bit further on, just a 2-minute walk from here. It's all very close together. And then the new bar, the Bank, is right next to it. Same owners. And they also got a bar at the other end, on the other side of the street, the Green Door. Got the Muzzy Muzz. Supermarkets are closed on Sundays until the real season starts again. Sunday is a rest day in Spain. And as long as it's not peak season, they're closed, unfortunate. There we got the Red Door. On the opposite of them, some construction is taking place. I don't know what is coming here. I think it's going to be a new bar, of course. Benidorm is filled with those. And then we got the newest one, the Bank. Same owners, the Dollar Group. They own as well the $1 Million, used to be the Golden Dollar, that is now the Temple Bar. Silver Dollar is from them, and the Red Door and the Green Door. I believe I've got them all right now. So yeah, the terrace looks done. The only thing that's needed is the chairs. Roofs are in place. Could be open in summer, closed when it rains. And of course a huge indoor area. Unfortunately, no one at work today. Was hoping could talk to someone to maybe get a quick peek inside. They do have some inside shots of them on Facebook, but that was all before it was nearly finished, so it was all out and open then. That's not accurate anymore. I believe it's nearing completion. Won't be that long, maybe a week, then it'll be open. And it is the Bank because there used to be the Sabadell Bank in here. Nowadays, the only thing that still reminds of that is the ATM. That is right up there. On the opposite of the Bank, got the 12-man bar down there. Really busy today. And let's explore the Green Door while we're still here. It's on the other side of the street and it's also owned by them. So they have really a monopoly position right up here in the Rincon. And it's popular. There we got the Bank. And if we go across the street, the Green Door. Really close all together. Quickly get across the street. There we have it, the Green Door. 2 pints of Amstel, $3.50. A bucket deal is €9 up here. So yeah, lovely atmosphere bars. Friendly, clean, fresh. The thing Benidorm needs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, then definitely hit that like button. Don't forget to do subscribe. I'm hoping to do another video this afternoon. of an area most people don't visit here in Benidorm, or actually it's outside of Benidorm. Hoping to do that today. Else gonna be next week. Don't forget to hit subscribe right over here and check out yesterday's video right up here.